Okay, so I'm finally back where I was a couple of videos ago. I got everything wound around here, and this is back together, although I haven't tightened these up. So I do need to tighten those up. 1 second. I forgot to tighten the nuts on top. There we are. Okay, so what I have to do is do the pre-tension on the fusees. The pre-tension is 1.5 to 1 3/4 turns. And I have a tick mark here so I know where it starts. But I also have to take the tape off. Somehow I gotta get the tape off. I gotta get the tape off. The tape was necessary to get the things in there. It goes like that. That's no good. Oil that while we get the chance. Wow. Okay, now we carefully wind. And I mean carefully. Wind the cable onto the fusee. And we gotta keep it down. Okay, we don't want that happening. I don't want that happening. Give me a toothpick. I don't want the clock to be ticking. It's going around good. So far, so good. I have to wind it in such a way that it winds around the fusee cone in the right order, one line at a time. Very important, so that things don't get screwed up, knotted up. I'm doing very good so far. I'm a little concerned about up here though. This is getting above the barrel. There. There. So far looking good. Just double check from every angle. Okay, we're running into a problem here. We might have a knot. Damn it. We may have a knot. Damn it, one line got over the other line. God damn it. I don't know if that's going to work or not now. No, Jesus. Now it's not working. Frig. Frig. I got halfway up before it messed up. The wires got out of order. Okay, so we've already failed at putting this thing together. So we're going to try again. This is so wiry. The wires get all over the place. See, we already have this wire bouncing around here. It's trying to bounce around. Okay. Make sure that's there. Okay, get my box and try to get this settled in. Okay, so while the GoPro had no battery, I was able to get the cable to wind around the barrel, and then I was able to get it to wind onto the fusee, and now I put the clock back together and I'm letting it wind down. So it's running, and I'm going to let it wind down and then wind it again. It'll take 2 weeks of testing before I'm happy with it, before I put it back into its case, which is right there. Okay, so the clock movement is back in its case, and as you can hear and see, The clock, Dan's clock, is running perfectly. It's running a little bit slow, so I have to adjust the pendulum. But other than that, it seems to be good. So I'm sorry I didn't show putting it back in the case, but I put the movement back in the case yesterday, a couple days ago, and I've been testing it for a couple of days, but the customer wants his clock back right away, so he's picking it up today. That's the end of Dan's Fusee clock repair.